Some restorations take a few months. This one took over a decade. Which either means the builder was extremely patient or he had the same disease as the rest of us car people. The one where a simple project turns into a full frame off rotisserie restoration. LS power, 6 gears, big brakes, AC, and a box full of receipts that scares the accountant. This is a documented 138 code 1966 Chevelle SS, and it was not built by accident. By 1966, the Chevelle had become one of the leaders in the muscle car era. It had the movement, it had the right size, it had the right shape, and the right attitude. Not too big, not too small. Just enough car to look classy at dinner and still embarrass somebody on the way home. The Super Sport badge mattered. It told people this was not the base model. This was the one with better seats, better trim, more attitude, and the kind of presence that made parking lot conversation last longer than it should. And when you start with the real 138 SS code, you're doing something right. The restoration started the way serious restoration's always supposed to start. Body off the frame, rear trunk, rear quarters, new door skins, new dash assembly, and radiator support. This wasn't cosmetics. This was surgery. Then the car was finished in factory Marina Blue. Inside, the Chevelle keeps the car classic, but adds the stuff that makes you want to drive it. TMI Sport R bucket upholstery, front and rear. New carpet, new headliner, Dakota Digital VHX gauges, I Did It tilt column, retro sound radio, vintage air. In other words, it still looks like a 66 Chevelle, but you're not being punished for enjoying a classic car. Now, let's talk about the part that will make the internet fight. A fuel-injected 6-liter cast iron block. And before someone named Gary starts typing in all capital letters, this swap was done with real thought behind it. It was rebuilt with GM LS3 aluminum heads, new valves, new springs, LS3 intake, fuel injectors, fast EFI, fast 90mm throttle body, and MSD ignition. Now don't count out the K&N air filter. So yes, Gary, it lost some originality. But then it gained drivability, reliability, and horsepower. Not to mention, makes you grin like a teenager on prom night. Behind the LS is the transmission this car deserves, a T56 6-speed manual, because some cars should not be driven with one hand holding a latte and the other scrolling through bad life choices. Power runs through custom Dynotech steel drive shaft, forward 9-inch Moser rear end with 411 gears. That means this Chevelle has the strength, gearing, and attitude to back up that engine. On the road, this is where the whole build makes sense. You get the view over that long Chevelle hood. You get the Marina Blue reflections in the fenders. And you get the sound of the LS power through ceramic coated headers and polished tips. And with the 6 gears, 411s, and modern suspension underneath, the car feels alive without feeling ridiculous. This isn't some fragile museum piece. This is a real SS meant to be enjoyed by driving it. This thing just runs out so nice and strong. All the windows work. Mirrors does not have passenger side mirror, we don't have a full build data document machine on this, or sheet on this, but overall, I mean, this thing is a true 138 SS car. It's got the LS engine in it, 6-speed, AC works, blows cold, shifts through the gears all the right way. Does have a tilt column here. Again, visors, all the good stuff with this. This thing just runs out the way that you'd want it to and the way that you'd expect with your 6-liter. Now again, we can go through everything here. We have more than 300 photos. We have online financing. We have nationwide transport, all classiccaraddict.com. And make sure that you comment. Let us know what you think of this particular car or any ones that you're kind of looking for. We get them in all the time, every week. We're always turning inventory. But we do these videos to make sure that you see exactly how these vehicles drive, how they look. And the only thing you can't do is know how they smell. But this one actually smells good. Now, right after this test drive, we're going to take you, we're going to show you the exterior, the interior, and a few other things. At the end of this video, we're also going to show you the undercarriage. Look at this beauty. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Marina Blue LS engine. We'll start right in the good stuff. We'll get in here. We got AC, we got power steering, we got power brakes. It's all done right. MSD, big radiator, all of the good stuff. MSD is running the system on this, and it just runs out really, really well. It's been tuned, all the good stuff. Fitment is all in great shape. You also got your billet for your hinges here. I mean, literally everything on here has been touched. Frame off, restoration, fitment, alignment is all really nice. All the panels are just beautiful all the way around. You can see in here, we do have your upgraded rim, so you can fit your larger brake in here, but it still gives that SS appeal to it. Tires are a little bit older. There's no curb rash going on, but that's a 235 60 17. Runs out really nice and strong. And then we'll come in here to the driver's side. So all the windows are working just like that. Here in the rear as well. Goes up and down like it should. There we go there. All the painting through here, you know, it's got a little bit in there, which is expected. All of those paint guys know exactly gonna have a little bit in there. But you got tilt column, you got Dakota digital gauges, you've got working stereo, you've got working wipers, lights are on as well, and the AC does blow cold just like it's supposed to. There we go. And we got a little B with us. But you got in here Hurst shifter for the 6-speed. All the glass is in really, really good shape as well. I was going in through here. TMI seats as well, but the fitment just really, really nice. Now we'll get in here to the trunk, how well this is. So you can see, been completely finished, just looks great. No rot, no rust, no deterioration. All those panels on the side have all been replaced, so it's all good metal. And you can see back in there, just literally all good metal all throughout with here. All your drip rails, everything in really good shape. And there we go. I mean, even the trunk fitment's in great shape. Coming over here to the passenger side, through windows work like they're supposed to. TMI seats like that. There we go. And again, just beautiful, beautiful shape all the way around. And that is front and rear for the TMI. Now that's not the actual seat itself, but it is the upholstery side, nice and comfortable. It's got the leather, and then you got your kind of your suede inserts right there as well. Door panels all in great shape, and again, fitment just really good. And you can see all through here, all the metal shows so well. True SS, SS hood, all your lights are working. Again, just walking through, and definitely we're going to show all the glass is in good shape. You can tell it's newer, has not been on Arizona highways too much. And then you can see here at the top, just beautiful, beautiful paint work. They did a really good job. And you know, to get a paint job like this is now at least $20,000 if you're paying someone to do it. And then materials alone, it's at least $5,000 to $7,000, let alone all the metal, frame off, you know what that takes. This thing is fully ready to go. So you guys saw the test drives, saw the exterior, interior, all the good stuff. Now, let's show you the undercarriage. All right, guys, we are getting under this 1966 Chevelle True 138 and all kinds of good upgrades. So you can see here has all new upper and lower tubular A-arms, new shocks, new springs, 4-wheel disc brakes, spindles, everything here is all new. All the bushings all through here are in all good shape too. Looks like that one's coming up just a little bit, but that is new as well. LS1 6-speed Tremec, got full long tube headers, true dual exhaust, and Ford 9-inch with your trailing arms here in the rear Everything is all nice and new with that as well, and that Ford 9-inch is putting down the power. So obviously you can get a lot more power on it, but this thing just rides out so well, cruises. Floor pans are in great shape. You can see here, and you guys saw from the test drive and the exterior, this one is just an amazing value. Thank you guys for watching. ClassicCarAddict.com.